Hey guys, as you can tell from last week's video, we will be making mushrooms today. So let me go grab them real quick. Just give me a second. Forgot where I put them. I think it's over here somewhere. There it is. All right. Take a look at this bad boy, huh? All right. Got this for a nice deal. You won't believe what I had to do.
That's not mushrooms.
What? Welcome back everybody to another episode of One Plate Gourmet. Today we'll be focusing on how to make mushrooms. You could use any mushrooms you want. I prefer to use Crimini for this recipe. Let's begin. For this recipe we're going to go with a bunch of kale. If you can separate it from the stalk. Yeah, you only need about that much. About a tablespoon of garlic. 1 teaspoon of thyme. 1 bell pepper of your choice, preferably yellow. How about half an onion, a couple of habanero peppers or Caribbean peppers, 1 cup of rice, 1 egg or maybe 2, and a couple of mushrooms. About 12 is enough. We're going to start off with mincing up our onions and our bell peppers and our habanero peppers. Now for this recipe, the amount of habanero peppers you use is up to you. Could get a little hot, so be careful. Next, we're going to cut up our mushrooms into slices. Don't dice them, just make them slices. Break off the stems from our kale because we don't need those parts for this recipe, and just dice them into nice sizable pieces. Over medium-high heat, we're going to just saute our mushrooms. We're going to add them to the pan and cook them. We're going to cook them till they start releasing their liquid, which should take about 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. They're going to look something like that. And then keep cooking it till the liquid evaporates. Add in some salt and ground pepper to taste. And just cook it for 5 more minutes. And then once that's done, we're going to set these aside because we're going to cook them some more. So you don't want to overcook them now. In the same pan, we're going to saute our onions, peppers, and habanero peppers. Just give them a good mix. I'm going to add some more here because Charmin wants this dish to be a little hotter. Then we're going to add in our garlic and just mix that up for about 3 minutes. We're going to add in some salt and pepper to taste before we begin to add in our 1 cup of rice. You want to cook this till it's nice and translucent. This is all going to happen relatively fast. Reduce the heat to medium and pour yourself a nice glass of vodka. Have a sip. Cheers. And then add the rest into the pan. We're going to cook this till it's almost evaporated, and then we're going to add in our mushrooms. We're going to stir this around for about 5 more minutes and then cook with 2 cups of water. Do that cool shaky thing chefs do with their pan and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, in another pan, we're going to add in our kale. We're going to cook these with salt and pepper, and we're just going to mix it around till it's nice and green, luscious, like kale should be. Some people don't like kale. I don't see why not. Shake, and then we're going to spoon this over our mushroom paella. We're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 more minutes. Till it's ready. Do that thing again, the shake, and set it aside. This part is kind of the hardest part of this whole dish. Alright, I'm going to try to go over it really smoothly. Alright, shake, egg, crack, pan. Realize you messed up, try it again. Pan, crack, eggs inside, sunny side up. Realize you messed up, but you don't want to waste any more eggs. So now you're going to season it with salt and black pepper. Shake, set it aside. If you're a pro at cutting eggs, you'll find that cutting it into a circle is mere child's play for me. Next, lay it over your paella and just top with some nice parsley. You are looking at the best mushroom paella you'll ever have in your entire life. Oh, and there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see the trailer for this episode, click up here. If you want more, go ahead and click down there.
Like, I hate onions, but I'll still eat them, you know? It's like, because it's like I kind of have to or something.